from your masters of war. Here they build the big guns, here they build the death planes, here they build all the bombs, here they hide behind walls, here they hide behind discs. I just don't want you to know I can see through your mask. But built to destroy. You play with my world like it's your little toy. You put a gun in my hand and you hide from my eyes, and you turn and run farther when the fast bullets fly. I hope that you die, and your death will come soon. I follow your casket by the pale afternoon. Sure that you'll be